Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses to check in case you suspect you're having problems with the fuel pump. This video will apply to F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer, so the vehicles after the facelift. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. So the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, just here behind the battery. To remove this cover you have one black tab here. You want to press it and lift up. And so just be careful to gently remove this cover because there's lots of things on the way. The first fuse to check will be this, I'll try to zoom in, 30 amp fuse located right here. So this is the first fuse you want to check. Now the second fuse is actually supposed to be just under this fuse, but on my vehicle there's like the empty slot here. So I'm not sure. It might depend on the trim level of the vehicle. Also this is a hybrid, so it might be depend on that, but two fuses to check, this one here and one under it if you have it. So check these two fuses, and then if both of those are good, then you have to just dig a bit deeper and look at the fuel pump and do a couple of diagnostic tests to see where is the issue. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.